Welcome all. In the earlier tutorial, I explained how we can create a Kanban board in the ServiceNow from existing report. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can create from the scratch. Our objective is create a Kanban board for incident open in the last 3 months and status is not resolved, closed and cancelled. We'll see how we can create meeting our objective. After logging into the ServiceNow, select the task board. Okay, under self services there will be an option called visual task board. Just open it in a new window. And it will show you the screen like this. Above you have an option called new. In the left side you can see name or owner. You can search the board created either by you or part of you belongs to of any other board. You can search it using this option. You can also sort the filter name using by name. For example, I have 3 board. If I want to put the recent activities, it will do. For this scenario, we have only 3 boards, so this function will not help you to sort out the board based on recent activity or by name. And if you see here, you have 3 options. The first option is all boards, second option is boards you own, third option is boards you belong to. All boards will list out whether you created a board or you part of the board. It will list out everything here. If you want to know the boards you created, just click this option. If you want to know which boards you belongs to, you can click this option. In this scenario, I have created 3 boards and I am the owner of that one, so it is showing 3 boards in this section. Whereas in the boards you belongs to, it is not listing out anything because I was not part of the any board in the ServiceNow, so it is showing nothing. Coming back to our objective, correct? So our objective is to create a Kanban board for the incident which are open last 3 months and the status is not closed, resolved, cancel. Click new. There will be 2 options. One is a free form board, another data driven. Okay, so the data driven board will fetch the data from the ServiceNow from the table. So this will be the real time and it will be a interactive or real time board. Freeform board you can create, but this will be used to track our day-to-day activities. I will choose the data driven board and our objective is to get the incident correct, so we need to select the incident table and we will select the lane field. I will select state or incident state as the lane field. I am not selecting the swim lane field, this is optional. Click next. So you will be prompted this screen. So here we can create a many filters. So if we select the incident table, that incident table will have 66 records, include all the incident. Okay, now first objective is we need to restrict that incident created on the last 3 months, correct? So I'll put the open on last 3 months. The next condition that we want to have it is incident state is not one of resolved, closed, cancelled. Then click create. Here you go. So you have created a board. So this is the board name, incident by state, and we can change as per our need. Okay, so if you this is the description of the board, correct, we can change according our naming convention. And this is the basic information. And if I forget to include any condition at any point of time, I can go back to the filter and I can add or remove conditions here. Instead of I want to get the incident open last 6 months, please go ahead and change the condition and save changes. Automatically it will pull those incident that is meeting the filter criteria. Now if you see here, earlier it was around less than 20, now it is showing 20, on all is true. And here you can add a symlane. Yes, we have an incident on state. If you want to know the on the priority perspective or severity perspective, we can have a symlane as a severity. Click OK. Yeah, if you see here, severity 1 is the one lane, and severity 2 like medium and low. So here in severity 1 we have 2 incident, and medium there is a 0 incident, and low we have 3 incident. Out of 3 incidents we have 20 in progress, and one is high, and the remaining is in the low condition or low severity. There are many inbuilt features in the Kanban board. I will explain more in the subsequent tutorial. If you like it, leave your comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.